All right, good morning, everyone. It is August the 2nd at 8:48 in the morning, 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. So, first up, we have EVK. EVK recently announced a share buyback program of $5 million. So, at the price where it is right now, they're going to buy back about 1 million shares, 1.25 million shares, if the price. And they've announced it's going to be between now and December. So I don't know. I mean, you can see here in the morning now, it kind of popped up. Let's make it a little bit larger there. You can see here it popped up from yesterday's close at 228. Went as high as, what is this, 481, and kind of leveled off and is just kind of bobbling around this area. I don't expect a lot of activity out of this stock today. I think it's pretty much done what it's going to do. It looks like it's obeying some Fibonacci levels. It might get traded. The volume is enormous. It's at 6.3 million shares right now for morning trading, pre-market trading. It doesn't excite me that much. It's on watch. If it gives a good setup, a really good setup would be if it starts breaking out over 481. There might be a trade there. I'm going to go ahead and put an alarm on it. It's on watch, but I won't be watching it too closely. Okay, so then next up is ON. I have levels on ON between $40.85 and $41.27. If ON pulls back between these two spots in this area right in here, then I will be taking a stab at it. I'll probably go with significant share size, somewhere 500 shares or higher. Let's see. Then next up, AFRM. I have really no interest in trading this stock right now. So yesterday, let's put it up here. Yesterday, it took a pretty massive dump, down we'll call it 8.3%. And now this morning, it's coming back up close to the top of the breakdown candle. That's not attractive to me. I have no interest in it. This is just a technical move. It hit the scanners this morning. Because it is technically gapping up from yesterday's close, but this is just, in my opinion, this is just a technical bounce. I don't really see much of a trade developing, and it'll probably be an inside day on AFRM today. So, there could be a buy down here around 56.32 for a quick trade, but it's not a high probability trade. So it was on the scanners. I figured I'd cover it. Next up is DLPN. I can't find any news on DLPN. Let's see if something news popped up here. No, DLPN. The last headline for DLPN was April 16th. I've traded the DLPN before. It's been a while. Yeah, I remember. So in the beginning of the year back here, this is the this is January, February, March time frame. I made some pretty decent money trading, which is usually between November, December, January, February, and February. That's usually when I make most of my money really trading. And so I traded it back here, and I don't remember how much money I made on it, but it was significant. So it's popping up today. today I think this is just a technical bounce. I don't see anything really worth trading today on DLPN. I mean, that is a nice looking bull flag for a 10-minute on the 10-minute there, you know, but I don't know why it's doing it. I don't know why. I mean, if it breaks out, you know, over this range right here, yeah, it's pretty good, but I don't see a catalyst for it anywhere. I'm going to check Street Smart Edge again real quick. Let's see. DLPN. Oh, here we go. Something popped up. Hall of Fame Resort Entertainment Company and Dolphin Entertainment announces NFT series highlight 6 football stars. NFT. Is it one of those non-fungible tokens? Yeah. All right. So some news just popped up on it. Let's see, at 8:36. So in the past 20 minutes. Hall of Fame Resort Entertainment Company and Dolphin Entertainment announced the creation of a new NFT series highlighting memorable plays from the college and professional careers of 6 legendary athletes. This first of its kind collectible, entitled Playbooks, becomes available beginning August 5th on FTX, a leading cryptocurrency portfolio management and trading platform, which will allow collectors to acquire the NFTs through the platform using a debit or credit card or cryptocurrency. The collection will be available through the Pro Football Enshrinement Week powered by Johnson Controls festivities, and while supplies last. The Pro Football legends featured in the NFT series includes Marcus Allen, Tim Brown, Earl Campbell, Shannon Sharp, Joe Theismann, and the late Doc Walk. I don't know who that is. Doc Walker? I don't know who that is. Okay. Well, all right. So there's a catalyst. And that's why it's trading. I don't understand NFTs, and I'm not even going to pretend to understand. All I know is if it's non-fungible, I don't understand. NFT stands for non-fungible token. I have no idea how to buy or sell or what to do with a non-fungible token. But non-fungible seems like a really strange thing to want to buy. I mean, non-fungible means it's not really, can't really liquidate it. But what do I know? Who knows? All right. So then let's see the broader market here. While I was on vacation, did a whole lot of really nothing. So I started vacation, let's see, on the 15th. When did I start vacation? Let's go back and look. All right, so my last day of vacation was the 31st. Yeah, and I started vacation. So I started vacation on the 21st. 19, 20, 21. Wow. That doesn't seem right. Yeah, I had 10 days of vacation. That was sure to go by fast. Started on the 21st and ended on the 31st. And so let's see. Here's the 21st. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days. And let's see what kind of range we have in the 8 trading days here. From top to bottom, 2.32% move in that time. All right. So let's see what the VIX is doing. Yeah. So came up, spiked this 24.76 level that I have on the VIX. Came back down. It's down, hanging around the bottom of the gap again. It's with a little bit of luck, it's moving its way. It's going to move its way to beneath the gap, and then make a third and final approach to the support line down here, and then dive below the support level right here and go much lower for much longer. And we can all be much more bullish, which is kind of hard to believe, but yeah. Bitcoin now, this is an interesting one. Look at this thing. Look at Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is, in my book, it's neutral. All right, so in order for Bitcoin to break out of the bearish, for it to no longer be bearish, you needed to break above this neckline right here. This red neckline right here is a neckline for the head and shoulders reversal on Bitcoin's run up to 65,000. It made this head and shoulders reversal pattern. It completed the pattern successfully. It came down, broke below it, came back up to test the neckline, failed, found support in this area right in here, and now it has gone up, has broken the neckline, broken above the neckline. I imagine we're in the process of coming down and doing a back test. If it can hold this neckline, then it'll just remain neutral. Bitcoin will be bullish over 42,000. 42,000 is the high from over here in January of 21, a little over 6 months ago now. And so it's really quite interesting. You can see here it came up, closed the 30th of July over that 42,000 mark, bit of a tease. Then it came up, and it's closed below 42,000 a couple times now. The next big move, then if it's going to be bullish, the next indicator for it being bullish is a close above 42,000. For it to close above 42,000, come back test 42,000 and continue higher. That'll be bullish. Right now, what would be a sign that it's not going lower for a while, as in it's just going to be neutral, is if it comes back and tests this, comes back and back tests this support resistance line right here, and then moves higher. Until it can move above 42,000 and hold it, and come back and back test it and then move higher, it's neutral. So Bitcoin is neutral, but this is why people pay so much attention to technicals. This is exactly why people use technicals, because this thing's playing out just really rather reliably on the charts. Bitcoin is. All right, I'm going to check gold here real quick. Let's see what gold is doing. I mean, since I've been on vacation and everything. Metals, gold. Yeah, gold is just kind of meandering around this after this last big dip right here. Yeah, it might be time to start averaging into a gold position. We'll see. All right, everybody. That is going to be my morning strategy session. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.